Where are we?
Hey guys, so we're at the Ontario Mills Mall. We're gonna go to the Rainforest Cafe.
I can't zoom in, I'll just show it in a bit. Hurry! We're here! We're here!
That was it. That was it. We love to educate our guests about conservation efforts through our education trainings, fundraising opportunities, classroom.
There's no fish. There's no fish though.
There's a shark. It's invisible.
Oh. Why'd you look up? Guys, tag yourself. I think I'm this one.
I think
I'm this one. Black hair.
I'm this one.
Oh, sorry.
What happened?
This
not
one?
yet, not
This
yet.
one?
I think I'm the alpha male.
The alpha. Okay.
I'm the Black Panther.
Do it again.
I get like we're eating.
Oh my god, the thunderstorm.
We're gonna select a certain table to like pour the water.
Oh my god, I love this. I love this so much. I love this so much.
The lighting is so good. Bread.
Bread.
We're gonna drink. She's sucking up for pussy.
Hey.
My bad. Your turn. Drink from this shit.
He's bleeding!
He's bleeding. He's on his period. It's so cute. I got the Rainforest burger, chicken shrimp. Oh wait,
Chicken shrimp.
chicken quesadilla, and then
Coconut Caribbean shrimp.
Ariana, what's his name again?
Jack. First name Jack, last name off.
This one is Emeroid. Was it good?
Bro, I'm full.
I don't know, guys. I think it was alright.
We're gonna fight the toilet later.
The toilet.
Because it says, go Shawty, it's your birthday, birthday cake, ice cream with sprinkles and cubes.
What are you getting?
Wait, which one? Cookie Monster? Or the vegan chocolate chip cookie? Because you used to be.
Because I used to be vegan.
Yeah.
There's ube brownie.
Thai tea. Thai tea ice cream?
What did you say? We got ice cream. Merry Christmas, guys. I don't know, what did we get?
We got strawberry chocolate chip, strawberry cookie crunch.
I think strawberry cookie crunch. Okay, go.
Sit
Go,
where?
taste. Taste test.
Oh, me first? Okay.
Yes. Birthday girl.
Happy birthday, birthday girl, birthday.
Okay, right?
Birthday
Okay,
ice
Kristen,
cream.
go, your turn.
It gets better when you chew it. Well,
Do you want me to cut that out?
It's funny.
Okay.
Your turn.
Your turn. Wait, give me.
Oh my god, it's softer than I thought it would be. Oh my god, she came.
so good.
She came.
Guys, I'm scared.
Underneath the tree. Yeah.
Okay.
That
was good.
You're all that I need underneath the tree. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year,
Happy
Happy
birthday.
Chinese New Year, Happy birthday Ariana, Happy Easter,
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Ash Wednesday.
Happy Ash Wednesday.
Happy
Real.
anniversary.
Whose anniversary?
Yours.
Ours passed. Like,
Monstery.
Happy Monstery.
ours passed.
Yeah, I thought we were listing things that already has like.
Oh,
happened.
yeah, you're right. Happy,
my
happy,
God,
happy,
Sorry.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.